Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about the YouTube monetization requirements and Google AdSense. All right, let's begin. First, go to YouTube Studio by visiting studio.youtube.com. From the left panel, click on Earn to check your monetization status. Before applying, you must meet the requirements. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months. If you mainly post shorts, you can qualify with 10 million public views in 90 days instead. In the Earn section, you'll see your current progress toward these goals. If you don't meet them yet, you won't be able to apply for AdSense. However, there are alternative monetization options. You can enable memberships, where viewers pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks. For this, you need 500 subscribers, 3 uploads in 90 days, and either 3,000 watch hours or 3 million shorts views. Once eligible, click Apply Now and follow the steps to set up your Google AdSense account. You must apply through YouTube Studio, not directly from AdSense. So that's basically all about the YouTube monetization requirements and Google AdSense. That's it for this video. Thanks.